So basically this is the front page of it, and you have the create account. So if you have this, you fill your details. Now you select your school. So we have it segmented school by school, not that you have general course. So we have question field for University of Ibadan already. So we have OAU too, but we are still working on OAU questions, so nothing yet uploaded. So with time, each school we have people on, or we have people to register from. We are going to ask question for them, and it will only pop up for that school alone. So that's the registration part. Let me log into an account for you to see. So this is the account. This is a pro account. You see it from here, from the profile page here. You see it as the normal account. So yes, we have another one coming up soon, which is Simovas. Simovas is another platform coming up soon, very soon. So it's just an interactive page for you to learn through simulation, basically graphs and everything. And we have our daily challenge. Let me start with the daily challenge. We have the daily challenge. Yes, I've done my today's daily challenge. Is having question daily, 10 questions in 10 seconds, or let me say each question take 10 seconds. So that is it on it, and that's the ranking that refreshed on the 28th of each month. So this is the ranking of everything. This is how it look like on it. Now back to the main page of everything. Now we have the practice question. If it is a free account, it will show you something like we call the 2 days, two limits, two time limits. So let me just select question at random. We have some question already on ground. Let me pick this question, maths 101. I'm using 5 minutes. I'm picking the number of question. You can pick up to 4 courses at a time. So it is also designed for jam people. So after the 4 courses limit, it won't pick anything again. This is pick up to 4 courses, set question count, and choose your preferred question. So I'm going to pick just one question. Yes, and I'm using, let me just say, 1 minute. It's just a demo. So I'll click on generate test, then to load it out. So show me the instruction of everything. Now this is it. Then I'll click on confirm. Then it's going to pop up. So it is a question. It is designed to have a kind of, what do we call it, um lab test. So it shows scientific questions like this. So I'm just going to pick at random. You can pick. We have question already on it. So you pick at random, something like that. Then when you're done, you click on finish. Then to ask if you want to finish. If you don't want to finish, it will still be there. So you can just check your question all around. Then when you want to finish, you click on submit. When you are done, then it will load the questions. Then it show you your results. Okay, this is what you got. And then maybe you choose more than a course to show you the number of courses and the what to score in each courses. Then to show you your score. Then here it is to show you the correct thing. And also it has analysis, and this I'll show you. Okay, this is what you're supposed to do. This is what you're supposed to do here. Then you can go back to your dashboard. Also here is your the start button. It show you the number of quiz you have done and everything. It show you the accuracy, your score. If you come back to your profile here, you see your test average here, and that is basically it. And the study material is just basically another way to just check if your study material is uploaded. You check it through drive, and that is another thing. There is a library. You have your pomodoro. It's just like a focusing stuff. You click on this bilateral bit, you it literally give you a bit to use. So that is that about the focus part, and it's a deadline tracker to know, okay, you had a deadline, and to keep tracking it for you. You see it there. Also you have your timetable. Okay, I want to reach today, this is when I want to read this, how I want to do it. And you can also download your timetable like that from it, and you have your day planned on it like that. And that is basically it. you can check and give feedback from here. Yes, if you have a feedback, you can have a conversation with the admin from here, and when it is done, it will be closed from the other parts of it. So that is basically how everything look like, and there are more features to coming up. Thank you.